Um, well, if I burp this on a good bit, I feel that.
Very gentle.
It must a malt drink.
I can smell it on my own breath, by the way. That's how. That's how strong.
Choice, but cheers. Brew, right? Oh yeah, so good. Can't tell on camera. Then cheers. It's hard for me to finish. Wow. My belly is just full of give it a I don't know, I'm trying to be different. Rated out of 5. Big lager fan. Aftertaste. My brother's birthday. This beer. I'm very happy. Mild carbonation. Very much the same. Now. Below. Forgive me. It's better. That and it, let me just confirm on the inside. So, I'm going in the right direction. I swear. There was no lace before. Yabba dabba doo! Yabba dabba doo! Face, arms. Oh, then come back in and they to the end.
Wild.
Ability. Well, then. Oh man.
2, 1, let's go.
Fancy tonight.